How to hide your active status on Instagram. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off your online status and appear offline on Instagram in just a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner and open Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down and tap Messages and Story Replies. Under the Who Can See Your Online section, tap Show Activity Status. Here, you'll see the option to show your activity status on Instagram. Simply turn off the toggle. That's it. Once disabled, other users won't be able to see when you're currently active or when you were last active on Instagram. Keep in mind that when you turn this feature off, you also won't be able to see the activity status of other users. That's all you need to do to hide your active status on Instagram. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more Instagram tips and privacy settings tutorials.